fire. Fuck this. All right guys, I got the Max with all these fireworks and sparkles. I'm doing a little battle today with the other Max over there, and this is gonna be a little show for the 4th of July. And yeah guys, I'm gonna give you guys a nice show. Alright guys, I'm ready to light this babies up. Ready to light them up. Ready to light them up, baby. Giving you guys a little show first. Fix it a little bit, guys. The plan is, guys, once I light the sparkles up, the sparkles should hit the thing here and it should light up. That's the plan. And then once the sparkle hits this right here, it should light up too. That's the plan. So let's start this. Let's start the show. Let's start the show. And then when these light up, the plan is to light these up. All right guys, so I'm gonna start the show. Ready? Ready to light up? Ready? We're not going over there. Oh, I didn't see that.
It'll make a hell of a noise. Ready?
Wait. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Light it up, light it up, light it up. It didn't light it up. I'm gonna light it up myself.
It'll work?
No, it didn't work. The plant didn't work. But there we go. There we go. There we go. This is the show. This is the show. Yeah, baby. Yeah, loving it. Not done? Nah. Oh shit, a fire! Yo, a fire! Fuck this! Let's shut this shit off. Yo, thank you! Oh shit! Yo! I'm still not done. New tires, guys. Check it out. I hope you like the little show, guys. Like and subscribe.